Good job, buddy.
Hey kids, Corin, are you ready to play?
Very
Let's
good.
learn colors with Johny today.
Look at the marble run.
Watch the marbles roll and run. Learning colors is so much fun. Johny, Johny, yes, Papa. Playing marbles, yes, Papa. Learning colors, yes, Papa. Rolling, rolling, ha, ha, ha. Give up. Look,
Okay,
Papa,
watch this.
what do I
Here it
see?
goes.
A red marble,
Look at it go.
shiny and free. Red like apple lots, red like rose leaf. Down the marble run it goes.
Look at the marble
Like red marble, roll, roll, roll. Fast and bright from top to low. Johny, Johny, yes, Papa. Red is fun, yes, Papa. Do you know it? Yes, Papa. Rolling, rolling, ha, ha, ha. Woo!
What color is it? Can you touch
Wow,
the
a
blue
marble
marble?
shiny blue, like the sky and ocean to hum. Blue like rain and blue like sea, rolling fast so happily. My blue marble slide and spin through the marble run. Let's weir. Papa, Papa, look right there, a yellow marble in the air. Yellow like
matches
the
your
sun, so
shirt.
bright, rolling down with happy light. Yellow marble, round and small, down the track it starts to fall. Johny, Johny, yes, Papa. Yellow
yellow
bright,
marble.
yes, Papa. Having fun, yes, Papa.
You like the yellow?
Rolling, rolling, ha, ha, ha. See the green marble, smooth and slow, like the trees and grass below. Green is fresh and green is nice, rolling down, oh wow, so nice. Dye green marble, roll with cheer, letting colors loud and clear. Purple marble, round and sweet, horrid pink marble, oh so cute, rolling together side by side. Down the marble run they glide. Purple, pink, say their name. Learning colors is a game.
Yes. It's a
Johny,
pink
Johny,
marble.
yes, Papa. Colors learn, yes, Papa. Marbles fun, yes, Papa.
Look at it go.
Rolling, rolling, ha, ha, ha.
Good job, buddy. Look at this pretty pink marble. Let's put it on the track.